Hi beauties, it's Brittany with the BB Effect, coming to show you how I got this look. I usually tend to do my brows first, and I'm using this precise pencil. This pencil that I'm using in this video is from the hair store. It's called Super Slim Brow Pencil, a dupe for the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil by e.l.f. That's the one that I usually use, but I ran out of it, so I just had to improvise. This one works just the same, just small strokes against my brow hairs with a precise pencil, and I usually use the shade that matches my brows to give a more natural look. Here I'm cleaning up my brows, just using a little bit of concealer. With this look, I wanted to go ahead and start with my foundation first, and as you can see, I went in with my NYX Professional Makeup foundation. This one is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Classic Tan. I do tend to apply my foundation with my brush and then go over it with my beauty blender. I find that doing it that way, it gives me more of a fuller coverage when I'm looking to have a fuller coverage, and then the blender helps it melt into my skin a little bit better to give it that more skin-like finish. Next, you'll see me apply my cream bronzer and my cream blush, followed by my cream concealer. I'm applying all of these using that same beauty blender. For this look specifically, I'm using my Colourpop Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Verified. To create the eye look, I'm going in with my Morphe Nude Ambition eyeshadow palette. Throughout me applying these eyeshadows, you'll see multiple times of me blending. For this look specifically, just the blending is key on this one. After applying each shade, I'm going to go back in and blend with that same first lighter shade to just give it a flawless look that's blended and not with all those creases and bold lines blending. It's just the key to making this look flawless and come together. For this eyeshadow look, I'm looking for more of a bolder eyeshadow look, so you'll see me building up these darker shades and blending them out. And when I say I'm building up the eyeshadows, that just means that I am applying the eyeshadow on my lid, blending it, and then applying more of that same shade, blending it. And that's what helps the eyeshadow look come together flawlessly. Here you'll see me adding concealer in the inner corner of my eyelids. This is going to help that light eyeshadow that I'm applying pop more. So, and here you'll also see me building that light shade up, and then I'm going to apply shimmer on top of that, and that just helps the light shade again pop, and then that shimmer come out better than ever. Also take note of the brushes that I'm using during this eyeshadow look. If you want to, pause the video, screenshot so that you can see exactly what brushes to use at what point in the eyeshadow so that you could get the same flawless eyeshadow look. I'm using my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Forever Black. I'm going for a bolder look today, so I am lining my full waterline. Today I'm not using strip lashes. I'm going to use the reusable individual lashes, and I'm only going to do a half lash on each side. From there, I will apply my mascara using the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. I can't leave all those cream products that I applied at the beginning of the video on my face without setting them. So I'm going in with my One Size Ultra Pink setting powder. Today I'm just setting my eyes, no baking, so no extra brightness. Just want to make sure that my eyes are set without any creasing. I'm finishing up that eye look by applying the same eyeshadow that was in my outer corner of my eyes to the lower lid, just to bolden up. Then adding that lighter shade to my brow bone and to the lower inner corner. A little more blending, and then that completes our eye look for this makeup tutorial. Here I'm walking in my cream bronzer with powder bronzer, along with doing a little bit of contouring for my nose with the powder bronzer. Next, locking in the cream blush with powder blush. I like to blend up towards my temple and right underneath my eye so that I'm not creating any harsh lines and everything just looks blended and flawless. Today I'm going in with my Colourpop lip combo, starting out with the plumping lip liner, the So Juicy in the shade Mocha Latte. I love these lip pencils. They are so creamy, so pigmented, and I do find myself having to work with the pencils and build them up and then clean up the lining that I've done because they are so creamy, but they are plumping and I just love the way they look and feel on my lips. Because small lips wear. All my small lip girlies gather in because this lip combo will have your lips looking juicy. Especially going in with my plumping gloss balm and the So Juicy line again in the shade Berry Spritz. Even though this is a plumping gloss, it's not going to leave your lips overly tingly. This gloss is very nourishing to the lips and very pigmented. Okay, beauties, until next time.